Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of 1 to Step, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email address into your Zedge account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your email address into Zedge account, just simply open this Zedge application into your device. Then after that, go to the My Zedge section and click to this gear icon into the top right. And from there, you will get the option of Zedge account into top. Just simply tap into there, then click to this Manage Account option. After clicking into the Manage Account option, it will lead you to the site of account.zedge.net. In order to change the email address, just simply select this email address into the top. Then after that, enter the email address that you want to change to. After entering the email address that you want to set now, just simply tap into this Change Email option, and then it will send you a verification code into your email address that you will receive into your email that you want to set now. And after entering the OTP code into this box here, just simply tap into this Verify option, and then your email address will be successfully changed into your Zedge account. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change your email address for your Zedge account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.